welcome back to Watson.
I'm falling asleep. I was kidding, it's BFS now.
Today we are looking at the stuff we have to do, we get for school because we are doing online school. So Grace is going to be going first. Now what grade are you going into?
I'm going into first grade.
And I'm going into third grade. So let's get started.
Woohoo! Oh, okay. I think I fell asleep. So, I have this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a poster. Oh my gosh. Okay. And it says, look. Oh my gosh. It's my birthday. So when it's my birthday, I can use it. Voila. Put that there. So I'm going to show you my computer next. Here it is. It says Chrome right there. I have never used this computer though, so put that down. And now I'm going to show you my charger. So cool. And then the next thing is my connectable charger. It's pretty big and fat and chunky. So here is my folder. And it says my name. And then here's a whole bunch of tools that will help me do school. So sorry, this is actually my home math book. And then this one is my school math book. I got Favorite Wonders book. Since it has like glowy glitter in it. And then I have another same. That's my 15 Wonders book. And then I have this cool tag. I'm not sure, but none of them comes with like names, so I don't know what this is for. So, and then here's my fabulous whiteboard. This is my composition book. There's one's papers. Okay, composition. And then, last but not least, it is my social study book. I'm gonna take a second to put all my stuff back in here. Oh, and about the whiteboard, so cool. There's a little holder thing, so I can hang it up. So I'm gonna clean everything up and put it back in my box.
I'm here. So first up, I have this Wonders book. Next up, I have my computer. That hurted my wrist to take it out. One second, I gotta put it down. There we go. Next up, I have another Wonders book. Next up, I have a social studies book. And then I have this yellow folder. And it has stuff for me and then stuff for my parents. And then I have this book. And then I have this. I think it's a composition book. I don't know. So now I'm gonna put everything back in. See you guys soon.